Lord, I'm in control. Find rest. Don't strive. Yes, you can do it. You just need to let your heart be still. To watch it all slip away. Just shut your door. Travel into the deep and it will all drop as the waterfalls. That's it. Right there. That's the answer you've been seeking. There you have it. So go. Go deeper and deeper. Take it further to that point where you can feel me stronger within your soul. Be still and know. You ask, be still and know? Of course, be still and know that I am God. For in stillness are secrets revealed and mysteries demystified. From this position, your lenses are rightly retracted, far from the variances of the affairs of life. It's such a state that empties you and then fills you right back up. But a state so deep, yet calm. Because when you are still, your frequencies resonate higher. Your thoughts are aligned and your understanding is enlightened, and your gaze is shifted away from all the shuffles and the ruffles causing confusion, doubt, and instability. How do you meditate? How do you gaze? How do you set me, the Lord, before you? Stillness is what gives you that ground, and with every moment of stillness comes a sound. Like seamless drops of water, it comes and flows until your vessel is filled to its brink. The sound of stillness comes to aerate and ventilate your soul. It comes to flow, that your heart may be open to receive my message. Just be still there and hear the sound of my voice. That sound which delivers the message of my will and shines light to your world. Stillness has a sound, dear. It's the sound of silence, the sound of my heartbeat. And always remember this, that there's a cost to being still, and it's about knowing and trusting and resting in me. All of that experience, that's something. There's something so deep in the rest and trust that we can only gain by being still. The only time you're actually told to strive in the New Testament is to strive to enter the rest of God. So every time you step out of this experience stillness, you would only feel the anxiety and the striving of trying to make something better, trying to solve problems, trying to bring a solution to something, but to no avail. Because in stillness, because only right in stillness is the peace that fills you with joy until all that remains is love, me. The result of stillness is that only I, Yahweh, remains. So beyond the physical posture is the form you take. And until all you can feel within you is my heartbeat, and all you can see, my intentions. In stillness, the war within ends. Your heart is set free. Free as a caterpillar that just evolved into a butterfly with beautiful wings to fly with. So be still, dear, just be still and coming to the knowing of me, which is the entrance into rest. All the stillness speaks is my heartbeat, and all my heartbeat is saying is coming to the knowing of me and coming to rest. So you see, the evidence of stillness is the rest you find and enter. So you see, it's more than the act and the art, it's more about the result in your heart. So come on. Don't fear no more. Don't fret no more. Don't let it obscure you no more. Don't let it be vague to you no more. Don't let the sounds overwhelm you no more. Drop all the sounds of the shadows and the chains. Drop all the sounds of the many voices and hear only me. Drop all but me. So drop it all. be still